Imagine waking up in the morning, you walk out your front door, cup of coffee in hand, you look to the north and you see the beautiful Mount Adams illuminated by the sunrise to the east. Reach down on your back patio, grab your fishing rod, and head across the backyard to your favorite trout hole. With over 700 feet of riverbank access, power, septic, private well, putting out an impressive 80 gallons per minute, you could not ask for a better piece of land to be your blank canvas to build your dream home. Not ready to build yet? Not to worry, we got you covered. Pull up, park, and plug in to the 30 amp RV outlet. Start enjoying your land, the river, and endless stargazing from day number one.